Text bee vlogs are a number of short clips so that any bee can view and learn from. Become a subscriber to my YouTube channel, HoneyBEE Tech. 8 different series of educational videos. Included are extra playlists. My 1975 wiring jig is still as good as the day I made it, after thousands and thousands of frames that have been wired. I have found that it is best to tension the frame in the wiring jig before wires are started to be fixed. There are many types of wiring jigs and they all seem to work, so it doesn't matter what type of jigs you use or make, as long as they work for the beak. I do not use eyelets in any frames. I have never used them. Doing it the easy way, are you?
Yeah.
With regard to the eyelets again, I believe there's no need to use them, as the wire gets tensioned into the timber and helps to keep the wires taut. When loose wires are used, the foundation can bow, and the queen can only lay in the one side. Therefore it is not suitable in the brood super. They haven't got to be, as long as they're firm, that's all they need to be, the wires.
Okay.
Wires can be loose before a tensioner is used to tighten the wires. That is the purpose of the unit. It can take a lot of practice to be quick at wiring frames, but I consider that the effort is well worth it. After nailing is complete, the excess wire is removed. Do not cut, as it will dig in and spike the operator. My trusty wire tensioner. Play a tune on it.